What happens if a state law conflicts with city code? And what happens if state law conflicts with federal law? Today's topic is legal supremacy. What happens if one level of government takes action that conflicts with what another level of government wants to do? I'm Steve Serbalik, and I'm a panel attorney with ASCOPS in Arizona. In talking with police officers, I've heard a lot of questions about what happens if there are opposite directives from state and local law and when the state disagrees with the federal government. So I'll try to provide a brief explanation as to how these situations generally work. Please remember, as always, this is not legal advice. And if you have specific questions about a specific circumstance, ask for help. So first, let's talk about federal versus state law. There are some subjects that are within federal law based upon the United States Constitution or acts of Congress. And when Congress acts within its lawful power, states can't pass laws or take actions to impede federal agents. That said, most of the time, state law enforcement officers do not enforce federal law, as state law enforcement officers are charged with enforcing the laws of their state and of their employer. So city police officers enforce both state and city law, but do not enforce federal law in most circumstances. Now, turning to state laws versus local laws. If the state chooses to pass laws that cover a subject, for the most part, cities can't deprive people of state law rights. For example, the Arizona Peace Officers Bill of Rights is a state law that guarantees that non-probationary officers employed by cities and towns can be disciplined only based upon just cause and are guaranteed the right to an appeal before a neutral hearing officer. So any city or town law to the contrary would be preempted, which means state law wins. That said, sometimes local governments like to pass what I'll call protest laws that conflict with either the state or the federal government. Well, these laws make for some good news stories. Most of the time, they are unenforceable. Finally, please realize that this is a general topic summary. These are some general rules, but there's definitely exceptions to topics covered in this video. So if you have questions about conflicts between laws, seek advice from your department's legal unit or a lawyer like me. We are familiar with the impact of different types of laws, and we can provide help and support. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button below and subscribe for more law enforcement lessons. Videos are posted every Sunday at 5:30 p.m. Arizona time. I'm Steve Serbalik. Stay safe out there.